This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn
And
commissions
you
on this video.
basically pick yourself up some speakers from Amazon. Yeah, the graphics are definitely nice. If I know how to play the game. Hello everyone! So this brings me great joy of showing you guys this monitor. It is a 2K monitor. I'm going to show you guys how easy this is to set up. First of all, you have this piece here. Now all you do, you have the stem facing down. Just like that. You have your power buttons on the side here, your modes and all your power buttons. Underneath, you have your 2 HDMI ports, 1 display port, USB port, audio port, and your DC port. Now for the actual stand legs, you just place it on like this, facing you. And it looks like you're gonna have to take off. I do not know why they put this on a while, but there's this little sticky pad. You take that off from the bottom. So it's gonna look like this. You're gonna take the little pad off of the top here. You're gonna slide that down on. You're gonna take a screw that they provide you with. You're gonna drop that down inside and then use a screwdriver to tighten that up. Once done, you're ready to go. Now with this monitor and the stand, it is fully adjustable, so you can adjust it. As you can see here, you can bend it upward, fold it down, which is really nice. So when it comes to these monitors, you need to make sure that you turn the power button on from the back. So that's how you turn it on. Now, keep in mind, I do believe that this is a speakerless free monitor, so you don't have a speaker. So you guys will need to provide your own speakers for this, and you can just connect them directly to the back. So we're just testing out a game. I don't know how the camera, so cameras don't pick up monitors that good, so I don't know how it's going to pick it up. But in person, the graphics are nice. I like it. Go ahead and try another game here. So yeah, overall, it does look nice. Let's try Indiana Jones. So I think you guys are gonna like the monitor. It's lightweight, it's thin, it's portable. You can use it with a power bank. So we're using a power station, so if you want to go camping or off grid, you can easily use a small power bank. As you can see, we have a power bank over there. Easily handles it, no problem. yeah, anyway, I'm kind of having fun playing this game here, trying to learn how to play it. But yeah, great monitor.